You sit down to study or work, but within minutes, your brain is screaming for distractions. Instagram, YouTube, random thoughts. You just can't focus. But why? What if I told you the reason you're constantly distracted isn't your fault, but it is something you can fix instantly? Stay with me for the next few minutes, and I'll show you exactly why you can't focus and how to regain control of your brain, starting now. Here's the harsh truth. Your brain has been hijacked. By what? Dopamine, the feel-good chemical that's keeping you addicted to distractions. Every time you check your phone, scroll through TikTok, or switch tasks, your brain gets a little hit of dopamine. Over time, this wires your brain to crave quick rewards, making it nearly impossible to focus on deep work. But the real problem? Your brain now prefers easy, low-effort dopamine over hard, meaningful work. And that's why even when you try to focus, you get bored within minutes. Now let's fix this. Step 1. Remove easy dopamine. Think about it. If your phone is right next to you, buzzing every 2 minutes, you're setting yourself up for failure. Before you start working, put your phone in another room. Yes, physically move it away from you. Then, set a 5-minute timer and do absolutely nothing. No phone, no music, no distractions. Just sit there. This resets your brain's craving for constant stimulation and makes focusing easier when you start working. Ever notice how the hardest part of working is just starting? That's because your brain needs a warm-up. Before diving into deep work, spend 2 minutes writing down exactly what you need to do. This shifts your brain into task mode and eliminates the "I don't know where to start" feeling. If you can't focus for hours, don't. Start with just 25 minutes of deep work, followed by a 5-minute break. This is called the Pomodoro technique, and it trains your brain to work in short, high-efficiency bursts. Now that you know how to focus instantly, here's how to make it permanent. First, start your day without your phone. Avoid the dopamine trap in the morning, and your focus will be 10x better throughout the day. Second, make focus a habit. The more you train your brain to concentrate, the easier it gets. Just like going to the gym, your mental muscles grow stronger with practice. Now that you know the secret to fixing your focus, try this right now. Put your phone away, set a 25-minute timer, and get to work. If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below. What's your biggest distraction?